we are back with another fun craft. Oh my gosh, Corey. Why is this craft so exciting?
Because we're making bugs.
Because we're making bugs, but also because it is National Craft Month. Happy National Craft Month to all you crafters at home. Right, Corey?
Yep.
We figured that since it's National Craft Month.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, go ahead.
So guys, let me tell you something. We have a necklace, but it's black.
Yes, she has a little choker necklace on today that she insisted on wearing for the video. So I'm like, hey, if it makes you happy, then you wear it, girl, right? Okay, guys, we figured we would start National Craft Month with a craft from the best book ever.
Yep.
Right, Corey? The Crayola CIY book. If you do not have one of these, you should grab one.
What is this?
Oh, I put a little piece of paper in so that I can keep our place from the craft that we're going to do today. If you do not have one of these books, they should get one, right, Corey?
Yeah.
We'll make sure it's linked below so you guys can grab one from the Crayola website. Okay,
Please
guys.
check, okay?
Please check, okay?
Please,
If you have any questions about anything we have here today, leave a comment below and we will get back to you.
Go drive in your car.
Go drive in your car. Where? To the store to get some supplies?
Yeah.
Now they don't have to do that, girl. They can go on Crayola online, just grab it, put it in your cart, and it shows up at your front door.
Oh.
Just like our supplies do, right? Okay. Today we are making DIY terrariums, okay? We are still wanting to bring more of that.
But guys, let me tell you one more thing.
Okay.
So these look just like fish bowls.
They do look just like fish bowls. These are glass bowls. I got these right at Walmart for $2 or something like that, $2.50 a piece. You definitely want to supervise with this today because these are glass bowls. We're using actual glass bowls. You could also do it if you want to do it smaller. It's a tip in the CIY book. You can use a little mason jar, right, Corey? All right, I'm gonna tell you guys what we have today. We are still wanting to bring some spring into our classroom because it's still a little cold here in Virginia, but it's definitely warming up. You guys let us know where you're watching from in the comments while we tell you what we have here today. Right, Corey?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we have our absolute fave. You guys know we use this stuff all the time. Model Magic! We have it in, yes, we have it in a ton of colors here today because we're gonna make our bugs however we want, right? We also have some Crayola metallic markers. We have a few of our washable markers just in the primary colors. We have a pair of Crayola blunt tip scissors. We have some chenille stems or pipe cleaners, whatever you'd like to call them. We have our potting mix because we're going to use actual dirt in our terrariums today. And we also have some window markers. Right, Corey? Oh, did I say everything? And of course we have our Crayola CIY book. I said those metallic markers. All right, guys, we're gonna get started by taking out some of our Model Magic and getting started on our bowls. And then next we're gonna add our dirt inside, and then we will be using our window markers to paint the scenery on the outside. You know, the grass, the clouds, the sun, flowers, whatever we like, right? So let's move our bowls off to the side while we get started on making our Model Magic bugs. You think that's a good idea? So we don't knock them off. We'll move them right behind us. All right. Here you go. You can also use tools and things to cut. We just usually use our hands. I mean, and if we need anything, we have a little, I thought we had a little shaper. We have like a little Crayola shaper tool here. And I've told you guys before, when we want to store our Model Magic that we haven't used, I just put them right in some Ziploc bags. So it's airtight and it doesn't get exposed to the air and dry out. You know what I'm gonna start with actually? I'm gonna make some eyeballs to start with. So I'm gonna make 2 little circles. I think I wanna make one that kinda looks like a ladybug.
Mom, you make a rainbow.
You can put that in yours too. You can add whatever you'd like into your little terrarium.
I don't want to make a rainbow.
You don't wanna make a rainbow? Those eyes are totally very different sizes. So guys, what kind of bugs would you make to put into your glass terrarium? I'm making 2 little eyes to start with. I'm gonna use this black marker and put a little dot in the middle for my eyes. Those are cute little eyes, aren't they? Would you like to have those eyes? You can have them. I can make another set for me. Mom life all the time. You can't have a snack or a craft for yourself, huh?
Let me cut this open.
Sure. Definitely help you. Yeah, so along with your bugs, what else would you guys add in yours? Corey, are you adding anything other than bugs in yours?
Yes, I doing two mines. I like doing big eyelashes.
Big eyelashes. That's gonna be so funny. Here's a close-up of our little eyes for you guys. We are getting started. All right, so I have my two little eyes, and I think I'm gonna start making a little body with this. Guys, we're making our little buggies, and they are coming out so cute. I made a little body, and then another circle for the head, and I put my little eyes on top. Corey is making one too over there. You need the black marker to make another eye. She decided to make some more eyes, even though she took my eyes at first. Corey, I think I maybe want to make two bugs.
Guess what? It's okay if you take your eyes.
Why is it okay if you take my eyes? What if I take one of your eyes?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we share together?
Yeah.
Because we're besties?
Yeah.
Okay, pound out, bestie. Oh, kiss. Bestie kisses.
You gave me some more lip gloss.
You wanted a kiss to get my lip gloss. Okay. Corey, I think I'm going to cut some of these to make some little, like, antennas on top of her head.
How I cut those?
Yeah, like that.
Oh.
Let's stick these on her head. Oh my gosh, so cute! Okay, they're kind of different sizes, but whatever. Of course, guys, we'll give you a close-up of that. Corey, yours is so cute. I like your face.
Yeah. Okay, you would cut some like these.
What color did you want for yours?
Yellow like yours.
Yellow like mine? You love to be like mommy, huh?
Yeah.
Here we go. There you go. There's two for you. I just stuck them in the head, kind of like behind her eyes.
Oh.
Mine's a girl. Is yours a girl or boy?
My girl and you girl.
Oh, we're both girls?
Yeah.
Girl power. Oh my gosh, these are coming out so cute, guys. What do we do with the metallic markers? Do you know where the pack of the metallic markers are? Right here. I think I'm gonna put like some little dots on her. Guys! Oh my gosh. That's so cute, Corey. Let's add a few designs on with our metallic markers. I'm gonna use this and draw a little mouth on mine too.
That would be so funny.
That would be so funny. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that little face. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh wow, Corey, I love yours too. Do you want me to give them a close-up of yours too?
Oh, look at that color.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, we've got to show them that color close-up. Look at that color close-up. Corey added some of mine too. We'll grab that. Oh my gosh.
Guys, I still here by myself, guys.
Got it. I'm gonna run an adventure to find a marker. All right, I'm gonna set this guy to the side, and I'm gonna start on another bug to put in my terrarium. You wanna put her to the side too? Oh, I called her a guy. Sorry. So put our two bugs right there. Yeah. So what color would you like to work with?
Her girl and her girl.
Both girls, right? I wonder if there's a real bug in nature that's bright pink like this or bright green. You think so?
Yeah.
Maybe we should look it up after this and look up and see if we can find some neon bugs. You guys know any bugs that are bright colors like this? Drop it in the comments below so we can look them up after. We don't know that much about bugs. Oh, I like the body on yours. It's kind of textured. This little head and body. Why is that so funny? Why are you laughing at mine? It's so cute, I think. You want some white for the eyes?
See this? Oh my gosh, so cute. It's like a worm, like
the worms that we feed Yoda.
Ew!
Guys, we have a bearded dragon and we have to feed him worms and crickets and other things.
Mine have one more ball head.
A ball head.
I mean, like.
Okay, these are super cute, guys. I'm having a blast with these. You guys, if you're making them at home, let us know what color buggies you're making right now. And if you've made some names for your bugs. This is Squiggle Wiggle, and I'm gonna call her Polka Dotta. Squiggle Wiggle and Polka Dotta. You made a name for yours?
Hot Pad Crayola.
iPad Crawl Eye. This is iPad Crawl Eye, okay? Love iPad Crawl Eye. She is so cute.
Okay, these are like...
Oh, you want antennas for her too? What color would you like for her?
Red is my favorite color.
Red is your favorite color? Did her eye pop off?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Did you see her name was what? iPad Crawl Eye?
Yeah.
She's so cute. You gave her a kiss? Okay guys, we're gonna leave let's leave them to the side for just 1 second. We're gonna decorate our we're gonna decorate our glass using some Crayola window markers. And then we are going to get some dirt in there. I'm really thinking the dirt is probably going to be one of your fave parts. I think so. All right, let's start decorating our glass using some.
Guys, you made me do my nails today.
You did do your nails. They're super cute.
Gotta finish my gum a little bit.
There's our window marker set, guys. Love these. If you guys could see the windows behind us over there, they have lots of designs on them right now from one of my favorite artists, Miss Corey. All right, guys, we are going to start drawing some designs on our glass bowls. Whoa. You're so silly today. I love it. I'm going to start drawing. I think I'm going to start with maybe some grass on mine. I'm putting some green grass on my glass. Oh, that's some alliteration for you.
Ooh, I like that color.
You like that?
Yeah.
I kind of like it too with the 2 different shades of green. Getting it nice and green, baby. This is super fun.
Mine, look at this blue.
That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, yours is gonna be so cute. Have some cool green grass. How come I can't say that today? You guys tell me if you can say that. Green grass on the glass. Green grass on the glass, green grass on the glass, green grass on the glass. Oh wow, I can do it. All right, let's get some blue clouds on mine. So you try it. Green grass on the glass.
Green grass on the glass.
Go girl! First try for you.
Green grass, we do. Let's say green grass.
Like it looks like mine over here.
Marker or like dries on mine.
I know it dried. It's so cool.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna see if I can outline mine.
This grass is blowing away and this grass is down.
That grass is blowing away. So is it a windy day on yours?
Yeah. And a sunny day on mine.
And a sunny day? All right, guys, we are going to get our window markers cleaned up. So now we can add the what, Corey?
Dirt.
It's dirt time, baby. Guys, your friend Corey here, she loves to play in the dirt. She likes to play in the dirt and the mud outside.
And mini cups too.
There's mine. Let's show the Corey's up close. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah. I love her little sun there, right there. And she said some of her grass is blowing away. Sorry. Let's get to the fun. We just have some potting mix that we have here for our plants at home. I'm going to use a little, Corey's going to use her hand. Go ahead, baby. Go for it. I'm going to scoop mine out like this.
It's great.
I'm getting some dirt right in my jar and the table. Getting some dirt right in there. Yeah, dig right in. Great job, Corey. Corey's getting her dirt right in hers. I'm getting mine in. I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit with this cup. How many of you guys like playing in the dirt? Are any of you guys gardeners, or do you plant flowers, grow any vegetables and things like that at home? Let us know. Corey and I actually would like to start a little garden out back this summer. We have like a little garden box that one of our neighbors actually gave us, and we're going to try to grow a vegetable or two. Right, Corey? What kind of vegetable did you want to grow?
Carrots.
Carrots. I knew she was going to say carrot. Carrots are like one of her favorite vegetables ever. If you're ever hanging out with us.
I like broccoli too.
Yeah, you do like broccoli and snap peas.
Yeah, I like snap peas, but I don't like a cooked broccoli.
You don't like cooked, yeah. She doesn't really like cooked broccoli. She likes raw broccoli better and raw carrots better than cooked carrots. Corey's a vegetable kind of girl. And fruits too. If you guys were ever hanging out over on our stories, we're always sharing like our fun snacks and meals and crafts and things we do throughout the week. So make sure you guys come on over and follow us on CJ and Corey here on Facebook and definitely on Instagram also. We're always in our stories hanging out and on our YouTube channel. This month, of course, we'll be here on the first and third Thursdays of the month sharing fun Crayola crafts, but we are also going to be sharing some of our favorite Crayola products and crafts that we like to do throughout the week. Often, and very often, we like to do open-ended crafts, just whatever we want, just whatever we feel like doing. So you guys make sure you're hanging out with us throughout this whole craft month over on our page.
Ready for next start?
Oh my gosh, Corey has tons of dirt on hers.
Let's just pat it down.
Pat it down, baby. Here, I can wipe some of this into my hair and put it right in your bowl. I'm so excited about Craft Month. I'm so excited to share our love and joy for crafting. And we love to craft even if it doesn't come out perfect. I am not the best artist. It's just so much fun. Fun crafting and using your hands. Hello, little cute bug. All right, guys, we are getting our bugs added right into our jars. You guys are so cute. Those little bugs are right in there. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I have a feeling Corey's is not going to stay on the shelf and it's going to be a toy.
Thank you.
You know what, Corey? We can make some bugs and put the dirt and put it in your sensory table too, instead of just in the glass jar so we don't knock our glass jars over. But we could let our bugs dry and then put some dirt and use our bugs in your sensory table.
Yeah.
That'd be fun too. So guys, there's a spin-off craft from that. We're gonna put some dirt and use our little model magic bugs in her sensory table.
This is to have a blast.
Corey, yours is so cute. What'd you say?
Us have a blast here and us have a wild craft.
Us have a blast with our other crafts. That is the truth. That rhymes too.
Let's just start and let's start on the oven.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I'll make another bug too. All right, guys, we're gonna keep on hanging out here in our creation station with CJ and Corey making fun Crayola crafts. Okay, Corey, so when can they catch us here on the Crayola page?
The first day of the month.
The first and third Thursdays of the month. You can catch us right here sharing fun Crayola crafts that you can do at home with your family. Right, Corey?
Yep.
All right, guys, so we'll see you back again soon. And make sure you hang out with us all craft month long over on our page. See you guys next time. And don't forget to hashtag Crayola Crafts and tag us too if you try out some of our fun crafts. Right, Corey?
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. We'll be right here crafting. Peace out.
And it's always a treat with CJ